Hello and welcome to the video lecture on how to interface the IR sensor and the relay module. So here is a wiring diagram and the program for the same. Let us first understand the wiring diagram. Now here I have used one relay module, nodemcu and the IR sensor. The relay terminal, that is the ground terminal of the relay, is connected with the ground terminal of nodemcu. VCC of the relay module is connected with the 3.3 volt of node MCU, and D4 pin of the node MCU is connected with the enable terminal of relay. Then the common terminal from the relay is connected to the ground directly, and in NO terminal and 3.3 volt I have connected one LED for the indication purpose. So whenever an object is detected, my LED will be on, and when the object is not there, LED will be in the off condition. So these are the connections for the relay module. And now coming to the IR sensor. IR sensor has a three terminals: VCC, ground and output pin. So VCC pin is connected with 3.3 volt of ESP. Then ground is connected with the ground terminal, and the output of this IR sensor I have connected with the D2 terminal of this node MCU. So these are the simple connections. Now let us understand the program for this. Now here first I have declared the IR and the relay variable. So I have declared them as a constant. So as here I have connected the IR sensor to the D2 pin, I have declared it as a constant integer IR is equal to D2. Then relay pin is connected with the D4 terminal, that means the enable terminal. IN3 is connected with the D4. So I have declared that as a constant int relay is equal to D4. And for reading the values from the IR sensor, I have declared integer value variable. Initially I have made it 0. Now in the setup function, I have declared the input and output pins. So pin mode IR input, as we are taking the input from this IR sensor, and pin mode relay output, as I am using the relay as an output device. Now in the loop function, first we have to read the value from the IR sensor. So I have used the function digital read. So digital read IR will give me the value, that means whether the object is present or not, whether it is 1 or 0. That will be registered in this value variable. Then I am going to check the condition that if the value is equal to 1, that means if there is an object, then I am going to make my LED high. So basically I have given digital write relay comma high. So this relay will get activated whenever the object is there. So this IN3 will get the output from this D4 terminal, and with that actually this LED will on. That means the relay gets activated, the terminals, it is going to change the contact from NC to NO, and the LED will be activated. So if the value is 1, if the object is detected, then the digital write relay high, that means LED will be on, or you can say the relay will activate. Then there will be a delay of 1000, and if the value is not 1, that means if it is 0, then that relay will be in the off condition, that means relay won't get energized, and again there will be an delay. So this is what is a simple program for this interfacing diagram. Now we'll go for the hardware connections and we'll see the output of the same. So these are the hardware connections. Whatever I have shown you in the wiring diagram, I have made the same connections here. So this is my node MCU. I have connected the node MCU with this relay module. Actually I have a module in which there are total 4 relays. So actually I am using the relay number 3. So this is my relay where I have connected this common and NO terminal, and that will be connected to the LED. Okay, and this is the IR sensor. So there are 3 connections from IR sensor: VCC, ground and the output terminal. So that yellow wire is for the output, and that yellow wire is connected here with the node MCU's D2 terminal. Okay, so whatever I have shown in the wiring diagram, the same connections I have made here. Now I am going to download the program whatever I have shown you just now. So I will connect first the cable with the laptop. So if you can see here, I have already written the program whatever we have discussed just now, and now I am going to upload this program. So before uploading, actually you have to go to tools and you have to go for the board selection. So here I am using nodemcu 1.0, so that is already selected, and also you have to go for the selecting the COM port. So here there is an COM4 is available, so just select it and just click on this upload button. As you click on upload button, the program will start uploading. Here you can see in the uploading window, and when the 100% will get complete, we will check the output for the same. Okay, it will take some time. Yes, now the uploading is complete, 100% uploading. Now let us check the output of the same. Now here this is an IR sensor. Okay, so now initially there is no any object, so LED will be in the off condition. Now see, if I put my hand in front of this sensor, the object is detected, and because of which you can see the LED on the relay board is also on, and LED on the breadboard is also on, which is an indication of object is detected. If I remove, the LED will be in the off condition. So again, whenever there is an object, it is on. When I take it out, object is not there. So this is what is a simple program of interfacing the relay with the nodemcu. So guys, if you like the video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please share the video with your friends. If you comment something on my video, the comments are very much important for me. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you so much.